Welcome to our honey journey. Today, we'll take you through the fascinating process of how honey is made, from the busy bees in the fields to the delicious honey in your jar. It all starts with the hard-working honeybees. These incredible insects visit flowers to collect nectar, which they store in their special honey stomachs. When a bee collects nectar, it mixes it with enzymes in its stomach. This mixture is then brought back to the hive and passed from bee to bee, a process that further breaks down the nectar into simpler sugars. This teamwork is essential to the honey-making process. Each bee plays a vital role in transforming nectar into honey. Once the nectar is processed, the bees store it in the honeycomb cells. They fan their wings to evaporate the water content, thickening the nectar into honey. This evaporation process can take a few days, and the bees work tirelessly to ensure the honey reaches the perfect consistency. Now it's time for the beekeepers to step in. They carefully open the hives and remove the frames filled with honeycomb. A gentle smoker is used to calm the bees, making the harvest process safe for both the bees and the beekeeper. In the extraction room, the frames are placed in an extractor, which spins them to release the honey. The centrifugal force pulls the honey out of the comb without damaging it. Ensuring that the comb can be returned to the bees to be reused. The extracted honey is then filtered to remove any impurities, like wax and bee parts. After filtering, it's ready to be bottled. The golden liquid is carefully poured into jars, sealed, and labeled. Ready to be enjoyed by you and your family. Honey is not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients and antioxidants. It's a natural sweetener that's been cherished for centuries. From drizzling it on toast to using it in recipes, honey adds a special touch to any dish. And don't forget to support your local beekeepers and enjoy some delicious, natural honey.
See you next time.
Welcome to our journey through the tobacco manufacturing process. Today, we'll explore how tobacco leaves are transformed into the products you see on store shelves. The journey begins on the farm. Tobacco is grown in warm climates around the world, with the plants thriving in rich, well-drained soil. Tobacco plants start from seeds, which are grown into seedlings in controlled environments before being transplanted into the fields. Over the course of several months, these plants grow tall, with large leaves that will eventually be harvested. Well, when the leaves reach maturity, they are harvested. This is typically done by hand to ensure the leaves are picked at their peak quality. Each leaf is selected based on its color and texture, ensuring only the best leaves move on to the next stage. After harvesting, the leaves are taken to curing barns. Curing is a critical step that removes moisture and allows the leaves to develop their flavor. There are several methods of curing, including air curing, flue curing, and sun curing, each affecting the final flavor and quality of the tobacco. Once cured, the leaves undergo fermentation. This process reduces the leaf's harshness and enhances its flavor profile. Fermentation can take several weeks to months, depending on the type of tobacco and the desired final product. After fermentation, the leaves are sorted and graded. Workers meticulously inspect each leaf, classifying them based on size, color, and quality. This ensures that only the highest quality leaves are used in the manufacturing process. Next, the leaves are processed and blended. They are cut into specific sizes depending on whether they will be used for cigarettes, cigars, or other tobacco products. Blending different types of tobacco creates unique flavors and characteristics, tailored to various products and consumer preferences. The processed tobacco is then used to manufacture the final products. This involves rolling, filling, and packaging, all done with precision to ensure consistency and quality. Each product is carefully packaged, labeled, and prepared for distribution. Quality control is crucial in the tobacco manufacturing process. Products are tested at multiple stages to ensure they meet industry standards and regulations. This rigorous testing ensures that every product delivered to the market is safe and high quality. Finally, the tobacco products are ready to be distributed to stores worldwide where they will reach the hands of consumers. From seed to shelf, the journey of tobacco is a complex process involving many skilled hands and careful attention to detail. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the tobacco manufacturing process. If you found this video informative, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more behind-the-scenes looks at how everyday products are made. See you next time.